Question number 1. In figure 1 and 2, DE is parallel to BC. Find EC in 1 and AD in 2. Okay. So friends, हमारे पास यहाँ पे दो फिगर्स है, फिगर 1 एंड फिगर 2. ओके. फर्स्ट फिगर में हमको EC फाइंड करना है एंड सेकेंड फिगर में हमको AD फाइंड करना है. गिवन दैट फॉर बोथ द फिगर्स, गिवन दैट DE is parallel to BC. Okay. So in the first case, okay, so triangle ABC and DE is parallel to BC. Okay, so therefore AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Let us see the triangle ABC. Because DE is parallel to BC, we can say that AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Okay, because the sides are proportional. Why? Because the lines are parallel. So this is the basic proportionality theorem. Okay, basic proportionality theorem. Okay, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. AD is given to us as 1.5. DB is given to us as 3. AE is given to us as 1 and EC is not given to us. Therefore, EC is equal to 1 into 3 upon 1.5, which is equal to 2 centimeter. And this is the answer. Let us go to sum number 2 in the same question. In the same sum number 2, we are given a triangle ABC, again like the first, and again DE is parallel to BC. Okay, measurements of side DB, AE and EC are given to us and we are supposed to find the measurement of side AD. Okay, so let us do that. In sum number 2, again triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. Okay, therefore AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Basic proportionality theorem. Okay, and AD is not given to us here. DB is 7.2 is equal to AE is 1.8 upon EC is equal to 5.4. Therefore, AD is equal to 1.8 into 7.2 upon 5.4. So this is equal to 2.4 centimeter. And this is the answer. Question number 2. E and F are points on the sides PQ and PR respectively of triangle PQR. For each of the following cases, state whether EF is parallel to QR. Case number 1, PE is equal to 3.9 cm, EQ is equal to 3 cm, PF is 3.6 cm and FR is equal to 2.4 cm. So before we start the cases, there are 3 cases in this question. Before we start the cases, let us draw the diagram for triangle PQR such that E and F are points on sides PQ and PR. Okay, so let us draw triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. E and F are points on sides PQ and PR respectively. So we draw line E and F. Okay, so let us see. We have to prove that EF is parallel to QR. So in the case 1, PE is equal to 3.9, EQ is equal to 3 cm, PF is 3.6 centimeter and FR is 2.4. So friends, हम theorem number 2 अगर use करें, so if PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR, then EF is parallel to QR. Okay, so for EF to be parallel to QR, we have to have PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR. अगर ये condition satisfy हो रही है, in that case EF is parallel to QR. So what is PE upon EQ? PE is 3.9 upon EQ is 3 centimeter is equal to 3.6 upon 2.4. So let us solve this. This becomes 1.3 on this side and this becomes 1.5. So these are not equal. So, okay, so because this condition is not satisfied, then since this condition is not satisfied, EF is not parallel to QR. Therefore, EF is not parallel to QR. Let us take case number 2. Case number 2, PE is equal to 4 centimeter, QE is equal to 4.5 centimeter, PF is 8 centimeter and RF is 9 centimeter. Okay, so for the lines to be parallel, for EF parallel to QR, for EF to be parallel to QR, we have to have PE upon EQ. Okay, PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR. So let us see what is the left hand side first. PE upon EQ is 4 upon 4.5 and this is PF is equal to 8 upon 9. Okay, so 4 upon 4.9 will remain as it is, but if we divide 8 upon 9 by 2, each numerator and denominator, we get it as 4 and here we get it as 4.5. So we see that LHS PE upon EQ is equal to PF RHS PF upon FR and both the ratios are 4 upon 4.5. Okay, so in this case we may say that therefore PE EF is parallel to QR because PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR. Proved. Okay, let us take case number 3 here. Case number 3. Case number 3, PQ is equal to 1.28 centimeter, PR is equal to 2.56 centimeter, PE is equal to 0.18 centimeter and PF is equal to 0.36 centimeter. Okay, so we can say that हमारे पास अभी सारे ratios available नहीं है because हमें PQ full दिया गया है and हमें in the other case PR full दिया गया है. Okay, let us find the missing, that is EQ and FR. Okay, so EQ is equal to PQ minus PE, PQ minus PE, which is equal to 1.28 minus 0.18, which is equal to 1.10 centimeter. Okay, and FR is equal to PR minus PF, which is equal to 2.56 minus 0.36. This is equal to 2.20 centimeter. Okay, so now let us see what is the ratio of PE upon EQ, because अगर EF and QR को parallel होना है, in that case PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR. Okay, this is the condition for EF to be parallel to QR. अगर ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई नहीं होगी तो ये पैरेलल नहीं होगा और ये बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी की कंडीशन है. अगर रेशियोज इक्वल हैं तो हमारी लाइंस पैरेलल होंगी और अगर रेशियोज इक्वल नहीं हैं तो लाइंस आर नॉट पैरेलल बिकॉज इट वुड नॉट सेटिस्फाई द बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम. नाउ लेट अस फिल इन द वैल्यूज ऑफ द dimensions that is given to us. PE is equal to 0.18 upon EQ is equal to 1.10 is equal to PF that is equal to 0.36 upon FR is equal to 2.20. फ्रेंड्स अगर आप ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं तो ये जो वैल्यू है वो इसका डबल है और ये वैल्यू इसका डबल है और अगर हम इन दोनों ही न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को RHS में 2 से डिवाइड कर देंगे सो व्हाट वी विल नाउ गेट इज 0.18 upon 1.10. So in this case the ratios are equal and therefore EF is parallel to QR. This is our answer. Question number 3. In the figure, if LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD, prove that AN upon AB is equal to AN upon AD. Okay, so let us start the sum solution. Okay, we will start with what is given to us. Given LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD. Okay. Now, if we use the basic proportionality theorem, LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD. So, let us take it for LM and CB. LM is parallel to CB. Okay. In this case, we can say that AM upon AB, AM upon AB is equal to AL upon AC. Okay, because LM is parallel to CB, so AM upon AB is equal to AL upon AC. ये हो गया because LM is parallel to CB and basic proportionality theorem. Okay. Now let us see what will happen if LN is parallel to CD. If LN is parallel to CD, we can say that AN upon AD is equal to AL upon AC. AL upon AC. This again is because LN is parallel to CD and basic proportionality theorem. तो हमारे पास दो रेशियोज आ गए AM upon AB is equal to AL upon AC and AN upon AD is equal to AL upon AC. Now what we see is AL upon AC and AL upon AC is common in both the ratios. Okay. So we can also conclude that AM upon AB is equal to AN upon AD because they are both equal to AL and AC. Therefore, AM upon AB is equal to AN upon AD because both are equal to AL upon AC. And this is what we had to prove. So, hence proved. Question number 4. In the figure, DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE. Prove that BF upon FE is equal to BE upon EC. Okay. So, now DE is parallel to AC. Let us write what is given to us first. Given DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE. Okay. So because DE is parallel to AC, if DE is parallel to AC, then with the help of the basic proportionality theorem, BD upon DA, DE is parallel to AC, then BD upon DA is equal to BE upon EC. Okay. So then BD upon DA is equal to BE upon EC. Okay. This is because of the basic proportionality theorem, and this is number 1 point. Basic proportionality theorem number 1. Okay. Now, because DF is also parallel to AE, if DF is parallel to AE. Okay, friends, before we do this, let us understand one thing here. जब हम DE is parallel to AC की बात कर रहे हैं, DE is parallel to AC, then we are talking about triangle ABC. Okay. So, and when we are talking about DF is parallel to AE. Okay. In that case, we are talking about the triangle when BAE. Okay. So, this is for triangle ABC and DF is parallel to AE. This is for triangle BAE. Okay. Then in that case, BE upon EC is equal to BF upon FE, basic proportionality theorem, and this is number 2. Okay. So from 1 and 2 we see that BD upon DA is equal to BE upon EC and BE upon EC is equal to BF upon FE. So both the ratios have BE and EC common, BE upon EC ratio common. So we can conclude that BD upon DA, okay friends, हमारा जो second ratio है उसमें एक error थी. So when DF is parallel to AE in triangle BAE, when DF is parallel to AE, BD upon DA is equal to BF upon FE. Okay, so this was the second ratio, and in the first ratio again, because let us see both the ratios together again. So ये हमने second triangle का ले लिया. Let us take the first triangle ABC again, wherein DE is parallel to AC. So in that case, BD upon DA is equal to BE upon EC. Okay. Now both the ratios are found. Let us see how does it help us to solve the problem. जो हमें prove करना है वो कैसे help करते हैं. हमको prove करना है BF upon FE is equal to BE upon EC. Okay. Now if you see both the ratios closely, you will find that BD upon DA, BD upon DA is common to both. Okay, both the ratios BE upon EC and BF upon FE are both equal to BD upon DA. Therefore, we can conclude that BE upon EC is equal to BF upon FE. Why? Because both are equal to BD upon DA, and this is proved. Question number 5. In the figure, DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. We have to show that EF is parallel to QR. Okay. Now let us write given. Given हमें क्या दिया हुआ है? ट्राइंगल PQR. ट्राइंगल PQR दिया हुआ है हमको एक. सेकेंडली हमको ये बताया गया है DE is parallel to OQ. DE, this is one. Second is DE is parallel to OQ. Okay, so DE is parallel to OQ. So ये कौन से ट्रायंगल का पार्ट बनेगा? DE is parallel to OQ. So this would be a part of triangle PQO. If you see this triangle PQO closely, we will be able to identify that DE, which is parallel to OQ, belongs to this triangle POQ. For triangle PQO और ट्रायंगल POQ हमने आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया कि वो जो पैरेलल लाइंस हैं वो कौन से ट्रायंगल को बिलोंग करती हैं. ओके, नाउ लेट अस आल्सो सी, वी आर आल्सो गिवन दैट DF is parallel to OR. ओके, आल्सो ये गिवन ही है अभी तक हमारा, हम गिवन पे ही हैं. वी आर आल्सो गिवन दैट DF is parallel to OR. Now let us see DF and OR, the lines which are parallel, belong to which triangle? DF and OR. So like this belongs to triangle PQO, this belongs to triangle PRO. Okay? Okay, so हमारे पास ये तीन चीजें हैं, triangle PQR, second DE is parallel to OQ which belongs to triangle PQO, and DF is parallel to OR which belongs to triangle PRO. Okay, now let us prove that EF is parallel to QR. Okay, now in triangle PQO, okay, जो कि first triangle है, where DE is parallel to OQ, in triangle PQO, okay, we can say that PD upon DO is equal to PE upon EQ. Why? Because these two sides are parallel. Okay, PD upon DO is equal to PE upon EQ. Why? Because DE is parallel to OQ. Okay, now let us come to the second part, जिसमें हम लेंगे ट्रायंगल PRO. In triangle PRO, we know that DF is parallel to OR. Okay, so when DF is parallel to OR, PD upon DO is equal to PF upon FR. PD upon DO, PD upon DO is equal to PF upon FR. Why? Because DF is parallel to OR. Okay, now अब हम इन दोनों को closely देखेंगे. Like the previous sums also that we have done, we observe that PD and DO are common. PD and DO are common. Both the ratios are equal to PD and DO. Therefore, we may say that PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR. Let us see where are these placed in the figure. PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR. Why? Because both of them are equal to PD upon DO. Okay. Now, because these two are equal, PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR, we can also say that EF is parallel to QR. That is because of the theorem number 6.2. Okay. Therefore, EF is parallel to QR, converse of basic proportionality theorem. And this is proved. Question number 6. In figure A, B and C are points on OP, OQ and OR respectively such that AB is parallel to PQ, AC is parallel to PR. Show that BC is parallel to QR. Okay, so हमारे पास अभी कुछ गिवन चीजें हैं. Given that AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to PR. Okay. So friends, जब हम first case की बात कर रहे हैं when AB is parallel to PQ, we are talking about AB and PQ. So if we see AB parallel to PQ belongs to triangle O, P and Q. Okay. So in triangle O, P, Q, AB is parallel to PQ. This is given. And when in any triangle there are two parallel lines, we know that the ratio of the sides are equal. So OA upon AP is equal to OB upon BQ. OA upon AP is equal to OB upon BQ. Now friends, let us see to the second set of the parallel lines. It is given that AC is parallel to PR. AC is parallel to PR. Now again, this AC and PR belong to triangle OP and R. Okay. So just like this triangle OPQ, we will write the ratios for triangle OPR also. In triangle OPR, we are given that AC is parallel to PR. This is given to us. And when lines are parallel, like the above, we will also see that OA upon OP is equal to OC upon CR. OA upon AP is equal to OC upon CR. OA upon AP is equal to OC upon CR. Okay. Now from these two, this is A, this is B. So from A and B, we can say that OB upon BQ is equal to OC upon CR. From A and B, OB upon BQ is equal to OC upon CR. Okay. OB upon BQ is equal to OC upon CR. Okay. So now in triangle OQR, OB upon BQ is equal to OC upon CR. Therefore, BC is parallel to QR by converse of the basic proportionality theorem. So in here, we are talking about the triangle OQR. Therefore, BC is parallel to QR in triangle OQR. Okay. Converse of basic proportionality theorem. Question number 7. Using theorem 6.1, prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisects the third side. Okay. So we are given certain things. D is midpoint of AB. Okay. And it is also given that DE is parallel to BC. Okay. Given. D is midpoint of AB and D is extended to intersect AC at E such that DE is parallel to BC. ये हमारे पास already information दी हुई है. So now since D is the midpoint of AB, we can say that AD is equal to DB. Why? Because D is midpoint of AB. Okay. So AD upon DB क्या बनेगा? Therefore AD upon DB is equal to 1. Okay. हम इस रेशियो को आगे यूज करेंगे. Why? Because DE is parallel to BC. Okay. Now since DE is parallel to BC, with the help of theorem 6.1, we can say that AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Basic proportionality theorem. Okay, now AD upon DB is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to AE upon EC. Therefore, AE is equal to EC. Hence proved that E is the midpoint of AC. Proved. हमने क्या प्रूव कर दिया? हमने AE is equal to EC प्रूव कर दिया and hence E is the midpoint of AC. Question number 8. Using theorem 6.2, prove that the line joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. Friends, यहाँ पे हमने diagram draw कर लिया है triangle ABC wherein D and E are midpoints of AB and AC respectively. Okay, so we have to prove that DE is parallel to BC. To prove DE is parallel to BC. Okay, also let us, given क्या है हमारे पास? Given that AD is equal to DB and AE is equal to EC. Okay, so since D is the midpoint of AB, AD is equal to DB, therefore AD upon DB is equal to 1. Also, with the same way, we can say that AE upon EC is also equal to 1. Okay, so now we say that AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Okay, so with the help of the converse of the basic proportionality theorem, that is theorem 6.2, we can now conclude that DE is parallel to BC because these two ratios are equal. Therefore, DE is parallel to BC, converse of basic proportionality theorem. Okay, hence proved. So this is over. Let us do question number 9 and 10. Question number 9. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and its diagonals DB and AC intersect at a point O. We have to show that AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. Okay, so to prove, or maybe let us start with given. Trapezium A, B, C, D. AB is parallel to DC and AC and BD intersect at O. Okay, so अब हमें अगर ये प्रूव करना है that AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO, let us draw a line OE which meets AD at a point E. So this point, this line, okay, this is E, such that OE is parallel to AB and OE is parallel to DC. Okay, draw OE with E on AD such that OE is parallel to AB and OE is parallel to DC and AB is as such parallel to DC. Okay, now let us take the triangle ADC. Okay, in triangle ADC, OE is parallel to DC. Okay, in triangle ADC, OE is parallel to DC. Okay, so since the lines are parallel, we can say that AE upon ED is equal to AO upon OC. This is because of basic proportionality theorem. And this becomes A. Okay. Now let us see triangle ABD. Okay. In triangle ABD, OE is also parallel to AB. Okay. So if OE is, let us talk about triangle ABD. हमने फर्स्ट में ट्राइंगल ADC की बात की थी, AD and C. Now we'll talk about the triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, OE is parallel to AB. Okay, when OE is parallel to AB, we can say that DE upon EA is equal to DO upon BO. Okay, this is part B, again with the help of basic proportionality theorem. Therefore, we can say that AO upon CO, AO upon CO or OC is equal to BO upon DO. This implies that AO upon BO is equal to CO OC upon DO. Hence prove. Question number 10. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at point O such that AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. We have to prove that ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, so let us write the given things. Given is AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. फ्रेंड्स, ये जो हमने लास्ट 9 सम किया उसका पूरा इनवर्स है. सो हमने ऑलरेडी ट्रेपेजियम ड्रॉ कर दिया है wherein AB and wherein AC and DB, AC and BD intersect each other at O, and like the previous sum we have also taken a point E on AD such that OE, which connects OE, okay, and OE is parallel to DC and OE is parallel to AB. Okay, so in triangle DAB, okay, in triangle DAB, OE is parallel to AB. OE is parallel to AB. Okay, for the sake of clarity, let us write it over here. Draw OE such that DC is parallel to OE is parallel to AB. Okay, and E is some point on AD. Okay, now coming back to triangle DAB where OE is parallel to AB, we can say that DE upon EA and EA. DE upon EA is equal to DO upon OB. DO upon OB. Okay. Now, also given that AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. Also given that AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. Okay. Now this would imply that AO upon CO is equal to BO upon DO. Okay. Therefore CO upon AO, इसका reciprocal CO upon AO is equal to again DO upon BO, इसका reciprocal DO upon BO. Okay, this implies that DO upon BO is equal to CO upon AO. This is B. Okay. So from 1 and A and B. So A है DE upon EA is equal to DO upon OB and B है DO upon BO is equal to CO upon AO. So we can say that DE upon EA is equal to CO upon AO, ये और ये दोनों इक्वल हो जाएंगे. वाई? बिकॉज इन दोनों का रेशियो DO अपॉन OB या BO से ही इक्वल है. ओके, देयरफॉर फ्रॉम A and B we can say that DE upon EA is equal to CO upon AO. Therefore, we may say that EO is parallel to DC and EO is parallel to AB. Okay, this implies that AB is parallel to DC. Therefore, ABCD is a trapezium.
फ्रेंड्स, आज ही फ्लेक्सी टीचर ऐप सब्सक्राइब करें, जहां आपको मिलेंगे एनिमेटेड वीडियोस, डिजिटल बुक्स, टेक्स्ट बुक सॉल्यूशंस, नोट्स, डीपीपी और क्विज. और हाँ, फ्लेक्सी टीचर ऐप मोबाइल, टीवी और कंप्यूटर पर अवेलेबल है. और अगर आपके पास इंटरनेट नहीं है तो तुरंत ऑफलाइन सेट टॉप बॉक्स के लिए संपर्क करें. फ्लेक्सी टीचर, द वन यू नीडेड.